boy Cahden the Rake. What's poppin', boys? Excuse my lighting. It's a little bit late when I'm shooting this video, but you know, I had to get this one off my chest, bro. I had to get this one out to y'all, bro. I need for you guys to understand that there is one thing that garners women respect, people respect, everyone's respect, bro. There's one thing that will always make you more attractive to not just women, to people in general. It'll make you more charismatic. It'll make you more conversational. It can make you a better person. Like, you can have a better presentation and become a better man overall if you have this one thing, bro. Like, if you have this thing, it just makes all of this stuff easier. You want to know what that one thing is? It is passion, bro. If you have passion, if you are passionate about something, that shit is cool. Like, that shit is what's up, bro. Like, I don't know how many women I've talked to, bro. And I'm just bringing up women because I know a lot of you guys are on here because y'all want to get better with women, bro. This is just going to make you a better man in general, I'm telling you. But I don't know how many women I've talked to, and just very recently, I'll tell y'all a story in a second. But I don't know how many women I've talked to that said that they want a man who's driven, a man who's passionate, bro. And that don't mean you got to have some grandiose thing that you like into that's going to change the world. No, you just got to have something that you're passionate about, that nobody could change your mind about, that you love to partake in, that you love to do, bro. Because when you talk about those things, when you do those things, when you engage in those things, that passion shows, bro. And we all know women connect to feelings, bro. They don't connect like logically. Like, logically, we like 1 + 1 = 2, right? That's logically. That's a man, right? But women, they don't think like that, bro. They're on an emotional plane. So if today she feel like 1 + 1 = fish, then goddamn it is fish. And either you fucking deal with it or learn how to deal with it, or you keep arguing against what is natural, what is true to her, bro. Because it don't matter what's going on, bro. It don't matter what's happening. It matters what she feels, bro. And the quickest way to hack into those feelings, bro, is to be passionate about something. Bro, think about it, bro. Think about the Rocky movies. Think about how passionate Rocky was about boxing, bro. He was going to fight. He was going to fight. And sometimes Adrian didn't want him to fight, bro. Sometimes she even threatened him, like, I'm not going to come to your fights, or I'm not going to be there to support you, bro. But he didn't let that stop him as a man, bro. He never let that stop him. You want to know? Because he was passionate about what he was doing. And guess what happened at the end of the day? He went and he fought. And guess who showed up at the end of the day? Adrian, bro. She was right there by his side. You want to know why that is? Because women are attached. They're attracted to that passion, bro. Because you get them a feeling when you talk with, when you just talk with that passion, when you just put that passion forward towards something, she want to follow that. She want to be a part of that, bro. And that's something I cannot stress enough, bro. I cannot stress enough. The other day, I went on a date, right, with this chick, and I really was feeling this girl. Like, to me, she like maybe a 9.5. Almost a 10. I'm really strict about stuff like that. And I got, you know, a couple girls on my roster. But, you know, to me, they really like 9s. One of them 8.5. But they on my roster. You know what I mean? But this girl, she was like, she blew me away. Now, mind you, this was my first time meeting her, right? Like, meeting her in person. Like, so I met her. We connected. And then we went on an instant date. And if y'all want to learn how to do that, like meet a woman and go from instantly talking to her to going on a date, like same day and everything, I'll make a video about that. Just let me know in the comments if that's something y'all want. But we go out on this date, bro. And we had like this conversation, bro. And we connected. We connected. And you want to know what that feeling came from, bro? That feeling came from the fact that she asked me what I was passionate about. And even though I say, like, men should be doing no more than about 15-20% of the talking, right? She asked me what I was passionate about. And I found myself harping on about what I was passionate about. And in my head, it's like, damn, I fucked up, right? Because as a man, you learn this stuff and you realize, man, I'm like, damn, I fucked up. But when I looked up from me harping on about the things that I was passionate about, making these videos for y'all, of course, and doing things like that, when I got done harping on the things that I was passionate about, I noticed she was giving me the fuck me eyes. Like, she was just so into what I was saying. And, you know, I stopped and was like, yeah, I'm talking too much anyway. So you tell me what you passionate about or whatever. And she was like, I just want to hear more. You know what I mean? She stopped me. I just want to hear more. And the whole time I realized, like, she giving me the fuck me eyes right now. Like she just want to rip my clothes off me, bro. And guess what happened? Guess what happened? As soon as we left that restaurant and we got back to the crib, I want y'all to just leave it to y'all imagination what happened, bro. But that's just a thing. I needed to get it to y'all, bro. I need y'all to understand that it's deeper than, oh, I got to get on my purpose just to say I'm on my purpose. Or what the red pill community telling everybody, oh, you got to be a man on this purpose. No, it's deeper than that, bro. You got to be a man who choose a direction and you go that direction, bro. And nothing sway you off that direction. So much so, bro, that direction becomes a vital part of your life, bro. And guess what? You're going to become infinitely more attractive to women. Because you want to know what? Women want something to follow, bro. Ain't no such thing as a queen without a king, bro. A queen has to marry a king to become a queen. A king does not have to marry a queen to become a king, bro. Think about that. She wants something to follow. She wants something she feel like you behind strongly, bro. If she gonna chase you, if she gonna be a part of you, bro, she needs something to believe in, bro. You gotta give her, as a man, you gotta give women something to believe in, bro. And you can't fake that. So me and find y'all passion, bro. My boys over here, find y'all passion. Make sure y'all staying in it, bro. You become instantly more attractive when your conversation become better. Because now you can talk about something you passionate about. Now you can relate it to something she passionate about. You become instantly more attractive because you care more, bro. You become busier because you're indulging in that passion, bro. So you don't have time to over pursue her. None of that, bro. None of that. So with that being said, bro, I'm going to leave the video there. I just had to get this one to y'all. Yeah, it's kind of late. It's kind of late when I'm shooting this video. But fuck all that, man. I had to give y'all this video or whatever, bro. I just felt it in my soul, bro. With that being said, it's your boy, Cahden the Rake, Cahden the Don. Y'all already know what to do. If you lurking, hit that subscribe button, bro. Hit that like button. Man, let's get it, bro. We almost close to the K, man. So we finna just keep it going. It's your boy, Cahden the Rake. I'm out of here, man.